So I need to clean this mass airflow sensor. And I got asked, what can you use besides mass airflow sensor cleaner? Is there an alternative that you can use? And so I thought I'd go over some of the things that I would use and some of the things I wouldn't use. And basically, I wouldn't use anything that leaves a residue or a film on the sensor, since it might not be able to read the air as it flows by so well if it has a coating on it. And so I wouldn't use anything like that. And so things I wouldn't use are things like WD-40 or carburetor cleaner or Windex or something like that. Now, with that said, I do know people that use this stuff, like WD-40 mainly, and they claim it works good. And so you might be able to use it and get away with it, especially if the MAF sensor is really dirty. If you have no other option, then you could use WD-40. I definitely wouldn't use something like brake cleaner or carburetor cleaner. Again, though, this is just my personal opinion on things that I wouldn't use. And things that I do use are things like, of course, mass airflow sensor cleaner. If you can't get a hold of MAF sensor cleaner, then this QD electronics cleaner, this works very well. The QD stands for quick drying, and you can use this on all kinds of electronics. You use it on computer boards, contacts, things like this. So that works very well. If you can't get a hold of mass airflow sensor cleaner, I would get the QD electronics cleaner, because like I said, that works very well. And if you can't get a hold of any of these things, what I would use is isopropyl alcohol. I would get the 99% stuff, and then I would just put it like into a bowl or something, and then I would just dip the sensor into it and clean it up, and then dry it off. And that would work very well. And so these are the things that I would use. If you can, get the mass airflow sensor. If you can't get that, get the QD cleaner. And if you can't get that, then use the isopropyl alcohol. I'll put links down below to all this stuff so you can check it out and see what I'm talking about. But basically, these are the two things that I would use to clean the mass airflow sensor if I couldn't get a hold of mass airflow sensor cleaner. And I would not use any of these personally, as they might leave some kind of residue on the sensor. And so that's basically what I think. I don't know, let me know what you think down below, but that's basically it. If you have anything to add, please comment down below on what you think would work and what wouldn't work, and what a good alternative is to mass airflow sensor cleaner. But that's basically it. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.